Hey guys, I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this carrot ginger soup. So easy to make, yet so healthy and delicious for you. The ingredients you're going to need is 2 cups of vegetable broth, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of fresh cracked pepper, 1 large garlic clove, minced, 4 large carrots. You want to make sure you clean your carrots, take off the ends slightly, and peel your carrots. You're looking for 3 teaspoons of fresh ginger root. You can purchase this in your produce section of your supermarket. It's really going to give this soup a punch of flavor. 1/2 cup of chopped onions, 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. I'm going to show you how to do that. Plus, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 cup of coconut cream. Let me show you how simple and easy this is to get together. I've been preparing my carrots by slicing them down in about 1/4 inch rings. You want to do it to all 4 of your carrots. You can set these off to the side. For the ginger root, I'm just going to snap it there in half. With a spoon, we're going to remove the skin of the ginger. This is a little time consuming, but I guarantee you it's worth the flavor in this carrot ginger soup. With a chef's knife, cut down your ginger and mince your ginger until you get 2 teaspoons. I just go back and forth with a chef's knife until it's looking like this. See that fine chop? You're needing 3 teaspoons of it. I'm using a microplane to zest the lemon. I've cleaned my lemon under fresh, cool, running tap water, dried it completely, and for the zest, we're just looking for the yellow part, the outside layer of our lemon. You don't want to get into the whites of the lemon or you're going to have a bitter flavor here in your carrot ginger soup, and it's what we definitely don't want. To juice the lemon, cut it in half. I love using my juice squeezer. We're going to squeeze out all that fresh lemon juice, and boy does it smell good. Now if you don't have a juice squeezer, no worries. Go ahead and use a fork. Get right in there, get that juice loosened up in its pulp, and just squeeze it right here into your fresh lemon bowl. We can set this off to the side. In a large Dutch oven or stock pot over medium heat, you want to add your olive oil along with the onions. And we're going to saute our onions for 3 to 4 minutes until they're translucent in color. My timer's going off. Then we're going to add our garlic, and I've had to turn on the vent. Just make sure you get all your garlic in there along with your ginger, and we're going to cook this for an additional 1 minute. Continue stirring. After 1 minute, add your vegetable broth all at once, and you see all those little brown spots there on the bottom. This is going to deglaze the pan, and it's going to pull those little brown bits that you saw on the bottom of the pan into our soup mixture, and it's going to give it awesome flavor. Now we're going to add that coconut cream. The salt, the pepper. Yes, and that's little bits of coconut that you see in there, but it'll dissolve as it warms up. We're going to add all of our carrots all at once. Bring this to a boil. I'm going to bring my heat up to medium-high so I can get a boil here on my soup mixture. Once your soup comes to a boil, I'm going to turn the temperature back down to medium. You're going to cover and cook for 12 minutes or until your carrots are tender. I'll be back. Halfway through your cooking time, about 6 or 7 minutes, you're going to add that lemon zest. Give it a lovely little stirring. And again, cover and continue cooking an additional 7 minutes. Alright, my timer's going off. Let's check on the tenderness of those carrots. I do that by just using a fork. Okay, got to turn off my timer. And as you can see how that fork just comes through, and look how tender your carrots are. You see how they just fall apart. That's what you're looking for. Now, you want to get this off the heat and cool it down for about 15 minutes. Add your soup mixture to a blender. If you have an immersion mixer, you may use that too. Mix to desired texture. That looks absolutely wonderful. Let's pour it back into its cooking pan all at once, and look at that beautiful texture on there. At this point, you want to add your fresh lemon juice all at once, those 2 tablespoons. Give it a lovely little stirring. Oh my goodness, this is going to be so fantastic. I love the texture. Now, you want to taste for seasoning. Wow. Absolutely perfect. Return this back to the heat and warm it up on low. Soup's on. Carrot ginger soup. Does it smell fantastic? You can add a little parsley or some cilantro just for looks. I'm going to leave that up to you. Here we go. Gotta give it a lovely little try. Wow. That ginger came through very quickly along with that coconut cream, the carrots. You will not be disappointed in this carrot ginger soup. It's spectacular. Give me thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching. Stay safe, and I'll catch you lovely people later.